Get your game on with the thrilling fun of a real basketball arcade game, right at home. Challenge your friends and family to get the highest score or try one of the 8 built-in basketball arcade games for a new twist on the classic game. Go beyond a simple indoor basketball hoop with a real basketball arcade that puts you in the middle of the action. From its electronic scoreboard to its authentic buzzer, and plenty of basketballs included, you'll be ready to practice your throws and play at your best. Setting up your Franklin Sports basketball arcade game is simple and hassle-free. The sturdy metal frame requires no specialized tools, and setup is fast and easy. Get ready to enjoy hours of fun with a basketball arcade game that's sure to be a hit with the entire neighborhood. When the weather's too bad to play basketball outside, you can bring the fun indoors with the Franklin Sports Arcade basketball game. Try your hand at indoor basketball hoops and try to beat your best score. Each basketball arcade game comes with 2 hoops, so you can challenge a friend and play simultaneously. A great choice for any aspiring basketball player to practice free throws and rebounds. The built-in scorekeeper tracks every whoosh, so you can be confident that you're improving with every throw. With 8 different arcade game varieties to try, you'll never run out of fun, engaging ways to play basketball indoors. Forget standalone indoor basketball hoops, take your game to the next level with Franklin Sports Arcade Basketball Rebound Pro. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Arcade fun at home. The Franklin Sports Basketball Arcade game lets you bring the thrill of indoor basketball hoops to your home. Shoot and score with 8 different basketball arcade games included, so you can play right away. Number 2. Easy to move, includes wheels for easy maneuverability, letting you move it wherever you want. Want your basketball arcade game to stay put? Simply press the locking mechanism on the wheels and you're all set. Number 3. Fast-paced play, electronic scoring keeps track of all your shots for exciting, fast-paced play. Beat your own score or challenge a friend to arcade basketball with your own indoor basketball game. Number 4. 8 basketballs included. What's an indoor basketball hoop without basketballs? The Franklin Sports Rebound Pro comes with 8 rubber basketballs so you and your friends will be ready to shoot hoops like the pros. Hours of competitive fun. Number 5. Fast and easy setup, the sturdy 1.5 inches metal frame is designed for rigorous and intense play while keeping assembly fast and easy. No additional tools required. Be up and running in less time than traditional basketball arcade games. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.